Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. You are welcomed by LawGuru channel. So today our topic is offences against property in the Indian Penal Code 1860. So today I will tell you the different offences against property with their individual sections. So before starting our video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe so that you all get Indian Penal Code or IPC lectures regularly. Let's start our video. So the different offences against property includes the following. I have written all the offences against property that are given in the Indian Penal Code, Bare Act or book with their sections. First is theft. Section 378 of the IPC deals with theft. We will come to it later on. Theft includes the section from 378 to 382, extortion 383 to 389, then robbery and dacoities 390 to 402, criminal misappropriation of property section 403 and 404, criminal breach of trust section 405, section 2 409, receiving of stolen property section 410 to 414, cheating, mischief and criminal trespass are the other offences against property. So we will be dealing all these offences in an individual videos. We will be covering all these offences like theft, robbery, dacoity, extortion, criminal misappropriation of property, all these offences in a different video. In the next video I will be discussing the offense of theft against property. So I end this video right here, and if you like this video, please press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such IPC related videos, and if you have any doubt, please do comment. For then, stay with me, stay safe, thank you.